Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your referrals on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently started selling on Whatnot and you started referring people to it. How do you actually go ahead and see the individuals that you referred? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's go ahead and click on the account on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on referrals and credits. Next, click on invite history on the bottom middle button. Now, once you've done so, you can see here that these are all the people that have gone ahead and you've referred. And with that, these are all the referrals that you've received. And so with that being said, guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see who you referred to Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.